is consider removing obstacles.
Earlier this week, the Eco-Opportunities Commission embarked on training local government planners and focal persons on aspects of gender and equity compliance during the budgeting and planning process. These included planners from other regions of the country: Buganda, Busoga, western and northern parts. The 5-day capacity building engagement that discussed various gender and equity issues as regards budgeting and planning ended.
And under day, it refers to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Those three concepts are development concepts that seek to promote fair treatment and full participation of all people.
However, during the various engagements, district planners highlighted some of the challenges faced by the regions they represent, which hinder service delivery.
There is an assumption that people in West or districts in Western are well off. They are above, they are at a certain level. There are worse things. There are schools which don't even have a roof.
We've had a very big challenge at implementation of PDM, and one of them has been the changing guidelines. And these ones have caused a lot of issues, and of which have affected implementation or the success of PDM.
But each of those rivers have a lot of swamps, have a lot of valleys, and yet to work on them you have only 87 million. You have, the road equipment is not complete. You don't have MARAM within your district.
With this, they cited the need for government and the National Planning Authority to consider the basic needs of the people at grassroots level during development planning.
Yes, you are guiding us, we must plan, and we are basing at achieving 2040 vision. But the needs of the people down there, some of them are different. They need to be helped. Where they need simple things like water, like access to markets.
So as we move forward, I would like to propose that you need to engage NPA and Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development so that we harmonize and align these indicators in the TAPs so that they communicate.
Now an entity has not scored because they don't have any health staff. And we are waiting for some DHO, I think from one of these entities who was restructured, to come to Ntoroko. Really? Why?
On their part, the Eco-Opportunities Commission urged the planners to work together in ensuring that Ugandans benefit from the budgeting and planning processes.
For us as local governments, I think we must do all what it takes to make sure that the populations are more productive than ever.
The planners commended EOC for this timely training. Rebecca Nantongo, Susan Inabugude, UBC News.
To fulfill its obligation